Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your screen timeout to never using app called Caffeine on your OPPO A16. So, as you can see, if I go to settings, display and brightness, auto screen off, the maximum timer is 13 minutes. I can show you how to change it to infinite using app called Caffeine. So, you need to go to your Play Store, search for app called Caffeine, it's this one, open it, install, open, don't show again, timeout, and it's infinite. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.